As you may have seen in a previous video that I did, I've got a pretty ancient central heating system. So what I did last time that I got the whole system power flushed, to put some more radiators on, I got the whole thing power flushed and then fitted a Magnaclean Professional 2 system on it, which keeps all the sludge out of the system. It's been fitted now for 6-7 months, so it's time to service it and give it a good clean. The first thing I'm going to do is switch my heating off, so I don't want the pump running. Okay, this is the Magnaclean system. You can actually remove the whole thing, but all I want to do at the moment is take the filter bit out and clean it. So the first thing to do is cut off these pipes like so. Okay, I've put a bowl underneath to collect the water and I'm going to empty it. And there's a 14mm nut underneath, which I'm going to undo. Excuse the cobwebs. Okay, this is the tool that came with it. There we go. Okay. Okay, and there is the filter with all the sludge that it's kept on, and inside see it's quite clean. So that's all the sludge that it's removed from my system, which I can go and clean off. Before I forget now, I'm just going to pop this valve back down in the bottom, screw that back on. Don't forget to do that, and just tighten it quarter turn with a 14mm spanner. Okay, here's the Magnaclean. So take that off, give it a good rinse. This bit's magnetic, I think. Bit of kitchen roll. Just wipe it all off. Get it nice and clean. That's ready to go now. Okay. I'll empty that down the drain now. And give the drain a good rinse. Okay, now that the filter's all been cleaned and is ready to go back in, what I'm going to do, having remembered to put the bolt on the bottom, I'm going to take the opportunity now to put this stuff in, which is the Adey, which is the company that makes this gadget. It's their central heating system protector. It's not cheap. It was 18 quid for half a litre. £18, so you just pop it in there before putting the filter back in. Okay, there's my half a litre. I'm hoping it doesn't all spill out now when I pop this in. Gently does it. A couple of drips, but I've lost a couple of drops, but Nothing major. Use this tool to tighten it up. Open the valves. Switch the heating back on. Happy days.